Hi everybody, I'm Dan John from danjohnuniversity.com and danjohn.net. A lot of people say to me, Dan, where'd you get those armacondas? How did you build those pythons? Well, I'm going to give you my secret. But listen folks, there's an added bonus. We're going to work on our hip mobility and flexibility. These are called goblet squat curls. So get the bell up into the goblets, get the bell up by the horns into your hands, squat down, push your knees apart. Now here's the exciting part, ready? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, go for the burn. What's interesting about this exercise, it's not really a curling exercise. What it does is by having the weight move back and forth, I'm prying open my ankles, I hate to say my knees, but certainly my hips and my lower back. When I used to work with teenagers, this is one of the best exercises I could do to teach the athletes how to get deep in the squat. Sure, it does work your arms, I guess, but it's an excellent way to get yourself mobilized in this region. I'm Dan John. Thank you very much.